is this? So many pieces! Let's build an ice cream machine. Click, click. Window goes here. Buttons go here. And the nozzle goes here. Click! Our machine is ready! Let's make some ice cream! Pink, yellow, blue. Into the machine they go. Ready? Ready? Here it comes! Swirl, swirl, swirl! Pink ice cream! Yummy! Pink! Yellow! Blue! 3 yummy ice creams! 1, 2, 3! Pink for you! Yellow for you! Blue for you! Yummy ice cream for everyone! Hooray!